Hi, Gardner. Absolutely. Yeah. Here's what I do here. Take your image and put it into the site somewhere. So whatever size image you want to use, and I'm going to suggest you use a nice big wide fat image, something like if you're going to use it in the header and you want it to be like a single type image. Now these things are not going to resize. It's just going to be a background. So 1920 or 2000 pixels wide. The bigger the better. Most people, if they're using a high def monitor, the resolution will be 1920 by 1080 or 1080p, right? So if you can make an image at least 1920 wide by say 200 or 300 pixels tall, and if you need help with that, just fire it over. I'll show you. I can get help you resize it. That's what you'd use. So let's just say for fun, we're just going to use an example image that from one of the sliders because they're larger. Full screen slider. There's an image in here, image one. Now, that's not the full 1920, but it's large enough for an example. Just scrub over. See what I do here is I scrub over the color that's already here and the pound sign and delete right up to the D. So my cursor is blinking right beside the D in background. Then I hold the shift and the colon key, and then it opens up the URL. This way when I link in the image, I know I'm not going to have a broken link. So I double click on the URL. It opens up this select file. Then I can go to my library, and wherever you have the picture. In this example, I'll use the full screen slider images right here. I'll just use this background pick right here. Like I said, it's a lot smaller than the image I was recommending. However, it will still work for this demonstration. So we're going to do this here. And if your image is large enough, what I would suggest you do right after you link in the picture is hit the space key and then do a center like that, and then a center, right, like that, and then that's it. Okay, as a matter of fact, I'll copy this entire line right into the ticket so you can copy it and just change the path to your image. Like, right, you could just sort of do the old scrub out and then hit the space bar and do the URL thing all over again, just like that. Actually, put it in twice. That's not bloody good. Oops. Anyways, yeah, I won't send it to that's not going to work. So just follow the first bit of information there with loading in your own image, and then use center right here, and you'll be good to go.